with his weight down. He's got great quickness off the ball. His hands are strong. Had a great summer, so he looks pretty good. Really active right now, in pretty decent shape.
Is he back practicing?
Yes, I was back practicing today and looked pretty good.
He's never shied away from being confident, whether it looks his actions on the field or verbally. Is he showing that confidence this year, this season, and if so, in what ways?
Well, I think he is a confident player. I think what he's really doing well is that he's humbling himself and really trying to be more of a leader to our group. Very vocal today, encouraging guys with effort, encouraging guys with technique. So I would say that's the one way that he's grown, just that maturity and that leadership that we need so much up front.
So it sounded like he was a leader. Is he kind of becoming one of that guys up front?
Yeah, you know, he's really, I think he's doing a nice job. You know, I think last year he might have been a little more immature, but this year he's really mature.
He was a wonderful coach, so don't stifle him too bad.
It seemed like conditioning was a problem for Justin Thomas last season. Has he made strides where he can be out there more?
Yes, Justin Thomas has done a great job. He's got his weight down. Still not where he needs to be in the conditioning world. We're trying to get him up to where maybe he can play 25, 30 plays. He's definitely going to be on the field on third down. I think he's a pretty good presence out there at the end and rushing the passer. You know, we just got to get a little bit more plays out of him, but he's really close. He's about 265, 270 right now.
Could he battle?
Be the difference with him between pass rush only and doing more?
Yes, without a doubt. You got to be able to be out there and play those 35, 40 plays.
You've talked about two guys, and you said both of them have lost weight. Is this a different philosophy than last year?
You know, just after going through and watching the film in the Big 12, you know, it's a sideways game. It's a down the field game. It's a tempo offense that your conditioning, your ability to run and get after the football is so huge in this league. So our defensive lineman at the same time has got to be strong enough to hold up against the run, quick enough to rush the passer, and then fast enough to get to the ball.